Here's our application for the VINwiki SWAE 35K Lamborghini Gallardo.
Look, you're not buying a perfect car. It is as is as a car could ever be, but it's all the fun you could ever want. Every time I start it up, it goes wherever I ask it to. A few weeks ago, I bought the cheapest functional Lamborghini on earth. For just $35,000, I got a running and driving 2013 Lamborghini Gallardo LP 550-2 Spyder, so the rear-wheel drive convertible version of the late generations of the Gallardo. And it is awesome, but it's not necessarily in awesome condition. The car was stolen from a local rental car company. But in the meantime, the VINs were changed, the odometer was changed, it now shows 35,000 miles. At one point it had like 55,000 miles, but it starts up, it runs, it drives. So what I want you to do is, if you would like to buy my Lamborghini for $35,000, make a video and explain what you would do with it. Look, you're not buying a perfect car. It is as is as a car could ever be. So please make a video in the next couple of weeks. Let us know what you would do. Shout out VINwiki, shout out SWAE, and please put a link to this video and a link to SWAE's website.
Here's why we should be chosen for the VINwiki SWAE Lamborghini Gallardo. Thanks so much to Ed Bullion, aka VINwiki, and SWAE for this opportunity to buy Lambo. Below we have the links to VINwiki's video and SWAE's website. Also, adding the Lambo for our YouTube channel would help us have awesome content. It would allow us to grow and bring our channel to the next level.
So right now, like and subscribe, and let's get back to the car. We would not do all sorts of mods on the car.
So that means no 4x4 off-roads, no stretch out limo, no electric car or demo car.
Maybe some little, but not too much.
This Lambo deserves to have its glory back again. So to do that, we would be stripping the car and restore it.
What do you mean by stripping the car?
First, we'll remove the interior and clean every square inch. Then we'll take out the engine and the transmission and do a little refresh of it.
So we will take out the engine just like we did to the Camaro?
Yes, change all the seals, clean everything, repaint and powder coat, and maybe some engine work if it needs it.
Does it give more power?
I don't think so.
Okay, so then let's twin turbo it just like Tavares did to his Lambo.
I approve. And then you would be able to learn to TIG weld and become just like Tony, the welding Jedi.
His name is Tony. He is a welding Jedi. That's the name I gave him.
Also, we might need to contact Tavares to get the engine tuned.
Oh, I have an idea! We could make it nice and do a paint job on it. Wait, what color?
Oh, I found the perfect color. VINwiki Verde.
Oh, that's a good idea, and we could do a pattern design on it with VINwiki and SWAE. It would be cool.
That would be sick. Let's see if we can do something about it. May as well at the same time do a two-tone custom interior, green and black.
Oh yeah, the center green with diamond stitches and the contour black with green stitches.
Same thing for the door panel. Maybe the dashboard could be black with some carbon fiber accent.
Yeah.
Thanks so much to VINwiki and SWAE for this opportunity. We hope we will be chosen for this Lambo and also inspire kids to work on nice car like this. Link to VINwiki and SWAE are down in the description. We have some nice project working on also. This 383 engine on the Camaro, and also lots of things with this 911. And
don't forget to like and share the video.
To subscribe and comment. We'll see you soon. We should make it nice again.
oops.
Some sort of design.
Look, you're not buying a perfect car. It is as is as a car could ever be.
Oh, that would be sick if we don't know.